Tommy Rafferty here from Blueprint Autos. I've always had a passion for the motor trade and dreamed of bringing transparent and high quality servicing to the motoring public. 10 years ago I set up Blueprint Autos, and with the help of some good people we've started to make that dream a reality.
Hi, Finian here, partner and sales manager at Blueprint Autos. We pride ourselves on only supplying the highest quality vehicles, both new and used.
If you're looking for high quality servicing and repairs on your light commercial van, 4x4 or passenger vehicle.
We also do a range of services including auto diagnostics, aircon servicing, tyres and laser 4-wheel alignment.
Or if it's a new or used car, why not call in to us at Blueprint Autos, where we give you confidence in your car.